Hey, what's up, Filecoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest and urgent news of the Filecoin. What's going on in this time in the Filecoin? What's the news? What's the update of Filecoin in this video? I will show you, my friends. Just keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video, my friends. My friends, this time if we look the latest price of the Filecoin, so at this time the price of the Filecoin, you already know about Filecoin falls, that from the previous last 1 month the Filecoin price is going down day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. The Filecoin price is going to decrease day by day. Anyways, if we you can see here 56.5 USD dollar is the currently price of the Filecoin. And furthermore, if we look the price changes, so as I told you, my friends, that from the previous last 1 week, and I think from the last 1 month, the price of Filecoin is going to decrease. So if the price of Filecoin is going to decrease from the last 1 month, so how you can get profit from the Filecoin? Tell me, my friends, tell me in the comment box how you can get profit from a Filecoin. Absolutely, if you want profit from a Filecoin, so you have to hold. If you hold, so you will get profit in the future. But other side, if you don't decide to hold, so nothing you will get. Believe me, my friends, because the previous month changes is negative, so how you can get profit? Anyways, let me show you the price chart of the Filecoin. What's going on is time in the Filecoin. Whoa, that's a complicated changes, my friends. That is the last 1 day, last 24 hours price chart, and from 2 hours to the price from next 2 hour price going down. You can see here that's a complicated chart, my friends, but the average changes, you can see here, average changes is the negative change. Okay, the Filecoin, the price is going down. So my friends, if you want really profit from a Filecoin, so you have to hold. If you decide to sell, so nothing you will get. Believe me, my friends, that's my personal recommendation, only my opinion. I'm not ordering you, my friends. Anyways, how do you feel today about Filecoin? Please also tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.